Remove pesky brake dust, dirt, and grime from your vehicle's wheels thanks to this detailing kit from Wheel Woolies. Genuine Wheel Woolies features super dense micropile fiber heads that are chemical resistant, durable, yet gentle on wheel finishes. The Wheel Woolies have metal-free polypropylene handles with anti-slip red grips for easily handling with wet hands. This convenient kit from California Car Cover features 3 different sizes of Wheel Woolies. The large brush is 18 inches in length and features a 3-inch diameter brush head. This Wheel Woolie is ideal for large spoke openings. Use the large brush to remove brake dust and grime from your larger wheel openings. Use the Wheel Woolies in conjunction with your favorite car wash soap or spray wheel cleaner. To use, wet your vehicle's wheels, apply cleaning product, and agitate with the Wheel Woolie and rinse clean. The slim brush has a 12-inch length and 1-inch diameter brush head. This slender brush can be used to clean in between small spoke openings and around lug nuts. Its narrow size allows it to clean in between the spaces the large brush cannot reach. The angled brush is over 11 inches in length and features a 2-inch diameter brush head. This angled design is ideal for cleaning behind spokes and around the brake calipers. Use the angled brush to easily reach behind the wheels to remove brake dust buildup. When done cleaning, simply rinse away any suds and grime and dry your wheels with soft detailing towels. This detailing kit is available at California Car Cover.